Hello and welcome to your 4-minute daily tarot. So we're back to doing these daily. If you are just tuning in, thank you so much. This is just a quick daily energy reading to help guide you, through your decisions and actions and through things that might come up today. Okay, so just take it as that. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Rachel and I'm the owner of Reiki with Rachel, where I specialize in distance energy work and personal card readings. Let's jump into our reading. We have the Ace of Earth, which is the Ace of Pentacles. I'm using the Magical Dogs Tarot, so I'll tell you how they relate to the traditional tarot. We then have the Fire Alpha Female, which is the Queen of Wands, and then we have the Two of Sea, which is the Two of Cups. So I'm getting a message with this Ace of Earth. You're planting a seed for some type of physical manifestation. So that's wonderful. This is a season to plant seeds. We're in retrograde and people like to hate on retrograde, but it really is a good time to plant seeds. It's a time to continue to work on things that you've already been working on, and I'm feeling some of that energy today. Now, I do feel like this card comes with a bit of a caution, just a little bit of guidance. And that comes from the Fire Alpha Female, the Queen of Wands. And what this card is saying is to be careful that you don't work yourself too hard, that you burn yourself out. Also, the energies are all over the place for all of us right now, okay? And it could be a day where you're feeling a little short-tempered. And so I'm feeling like this Queen of Wands in reverse is speaking to also the Two of Sea in reverse. Now, the Two of Sea, the Two of Cups in reverse, is talking typically about relationships, about partnerships, about collaboration. When it comes in reverse, this is saying that there could be maybe an argument or something that just feels out of balance, out of whack. Remember, still we're in Mercury retrograde that rules communications, so just be cautious around communicating. If you are frustrated in some relationship, it's probably not a good day to confront the person, because it might lead to an argument rather than a resolution. So it's a day to take a step back. Also, this Fire Alpha Female is speaking to the Ace of Earth. So when it comes to your work, to your business, it is great to work diligently, put your head down, get things done. But it's a day to take a step back as well and say, am I working myself too much? Am I feeling a little burnout? So if you feel on edge, if you feel burnt out, if you feel a little snippy today, allow that to process. This isn't a bad reading. This is just saying some of this stuff might come up, you process it, and then it doesn't affect you negatively. And that's all the energies are doing. That's all the energies are ever doing. They're just coming up, and you have 100% complete control over what you do with them. If you allow them to pass and say, okay, I'm not feeding into this. Or if you allow yourself to feed into it, which we all do from time to time. Let's get the clarifying card. So today, and probably the rest of the week, I'm pulling from the Butterfly Oracles for Life Changes, because I feel like we're going through a lot of shifts at this time, and we are preparing now for what's to come. The card is sobriety. And really what I'm feeling like, along with what I just said, is there anything you're addicted to, like emotional or habitual, that's not serving you? Today is a day to detox from those things. So if it's a habit, if it's an emotional pattern, if it's a relationship pattern, today is the day to get sober. All right, have a beautiful day, love and light.